Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing well during this lockdown period. This is your information technology teacher Viren, and I am here to give you some important lecture on the asking for directions. Okay students, so before starting the lecture, first of all I just want to have a warm welcome for my all the students, all the viewers and all my participants. Those who are watching, I request you please watch from starting till the last of this video so that you can get important information about the particular session. So, what are you waiting for? Okay, let's start the video here. So, let's start my lecture. So, first of all, today we are going to start session number 14, asking for directions. And as you know that this is the part of unit 1. The unit 1 is communication skill. You already very much aware about that. Your information technology subject is divided into two parts. Number 1, employability skill. Number 2, information technology skill. That is IT skill. So your employability skill is divided into some of the units. So right now, first unit is going on, and in first unit, total 14 sessions are there. And this is the last session for your particular unit, that is unit 1. Right? And the name of the session is asking for directions. Right, students? And as you know that right now this video belongs to class 11th student. Okay, the class 11th student already cover up total 13 sessions of this unit. Okay, students. So right now what topic we are going to cover in this session, let me write on the board and then we'll proceed further. Right, student? So first of all, topics to be covered. Your first topic is introduction. First topic is introduction. Your second topic is naming of words for directions, or you can say how to ask for or give directions. This is the topic number 2. Naming of word for directions, or you can say how to ask for or you can say how to give directions to the any other person, right? So just underline these two things. Okay, if you want to ask a direction from any other person, how we are able to ask the questions to the other person about the directions, and how you can give the directions to the other person. Means this is the way, this is the direction through which you can go from this place to another place, right? Now coming to the topic number 3. Some words for directions, or you can say using words for landmark. Okay, so let me review one more time. Your first topic is introduction, second is naming of word for direction or how to ask for or give directions. Number 3, some words for directions or using words for landmarks. So right now in third topic we have to discuss about some words related to prepositions, right students? So this is the topic we are going to cover in this video. Okay, so right now I am going to proceed with topic number 1, that is introduction. So let me erase the content, erase the topic here, and then I will write the topic first and then we will proceed further, right? So now the content is erased now, and the topic number 1 is introduction. Introduction. This is the topic number 1. So in introduction you have to take care about that if a particular person is going some place, suppose, and that place is very much new for that person, and one day he is trying to go outside and visit the place, visit the city. Now once he come on the road, he is asking some directions, some questions to the other person. Suppose I am taking the example of Lal Killa. So the person is standing at Lakshmanagar metro station and he wants to go to the Lal Killa. Now before the pillar number 768, he is asking one question to the other person. The question may be, can you please help me? How can I reach to Lal Killa? This is the question asked from the other person. Now other person, how the other person is able to reply? Yes, why not? Please take a auto. Auto will go from Lakshmanagar metro station to Lal Killa directly, and in between of your path you are able to see some of the landmark like SK Hospital. Apart from that you will have some kind of Chacha Nehru Stadium also. Okay, so these are the 2 landmarks, and after that within 10 to 15 minutes you are able to reach in the particular place. Okay, so right now you are asking a direction, you are asking some kind of question to the other person that how we are able to reach to the particular place. And suppose in the reverse condition, if the other person is asking question to you, okay, and then how we are able to give the suggestions, give the direction to that particular person. Okay, right now you are asking a direction, but how you are able to give the direction to the other person? The same thing is applicable to you also. Okay students, so right now just you have to focus about that. If you want to go to the particular place or particular city, then how you are able to know that you have to go to any other direction or you have to follow the particular path. Okay, कि किस तरीके से हमें एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पहुंचना है, ये चीज हमें क्लियर करना है. Okay, so with this, now for rest of the topic I am coming to the on my desktop so that you can have a interactive education, entertaining education, so that you can have lots of enjoyment on my lecture. Okay, so please come to my laptop. Okay students, now we are going to start topic number 2, how to ask for or give directions. This is topic number 2. मतलब क्या हुआ कि हम किस तरीके से डायरेक्शंस को बता सकते हैं या किस तरीके से पूछ सकते हैं. ओके, सो व्हेन यू नीड टू गो एनी न्यू प्लेस, व्हाट डू यू डू? टेल मी. कि जब आप किसी नई प्लेस पे जाते हो आप, तो उस समय आप क्या करते हो? आप यू आर आस्किंग सम क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ द पर्सन, or maybe you are going to use the map also, right? So when you ask someone, you ask very very politely, just was saying them, excuse me sir, I need your help, or you're trying to first greet them and then you are asking a question, right? So please make sure that whenever you are asking a question to any other person, just ask very much clear, ask clearly for that place where you want to reach. बिल्कुल उनसे साफ साफ पूछिए आपके कहाँ जाना है, आपको किस तरीके से जाना है, वो आपको बताया जाएगा, वो आपको बताएंगे आपको. ओके, लेट्स टेक सम एग्जांपल हियर. एक्सक्यूज मी, कैन यू प्लीज help me the way to the National Bank. I repeat one more time. Excuse me, can you please tell me way to National Bank. मतलब आप उनसे एक्सक्यूज मी कर रहे हैं, फिर उनसे पूछें कि मैं नेशनल बैंक कैसे, आप मुझे बताइए कि नेशनल बैंक कैसे जा सकता हूं मैं. नेक्स्ट, एक्सक्यूज मी, विच वे इज द रेलवे स्टेशन. नेक्स्ट, एक्सक्यूज मी, व्हाट डू यू नो द वे टू महात्मा गांधी या महात्मा गांधी नेशनल म्यूजियम. लेट मी रीड वन मोर टाइम. एक्सक्यूज मी, डू यू नो द वे टू द गांधी नेशनल म्यूजियम. One more way to ask here in a polite manner, can you tell me the direction for reaching your home from town hall. Right, so these are the several ways through which you can ask to the person in a polite manner. Right, please come to the next slide so that you can have a best understanding about in a detailed way. Okay, so in this slide, okay, right now you are able to see some figure here. Right, how to turn left, how to turn right, how to take U-turn, how to go straight, okay, go past, cross, like this. Okay, many kinds of symbols are there, right? So the other person will usually tell you in which direction you should go, how far, where you need to take turn. मतलब क्या हुआ, जब आप किसी और से पूछोगे वो यूजुअली आपको जरूर बताएगा कैसे जाना है, किधर लेफ्ट टर्न लेना है, किधर राइट टर्न लेना है, कितना दूर है, वो हर एक तरह की जानकारी आपको प्रोवाइड करने की कोशिश करेगा. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. ओके, इन दिस स्लाइड व्हाट यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग हियर, दैट इफ समवन आस्क यू फॉर डायरेक्शन, देन यू शुड यूज सेम मेथड. कि अगर आपसे कोई डायरेक्शन पूछता है तो वही मेथड आप यूज करिए जो आपने पहले यूज किया. रिपीट द डायरेक्शन टू मेक श्योर दैट यू हैव अंडरस्टूड करेक्टली. आप उससे ये जरूर कंफर्म करिए कि जब आपको रास्ता बताया गया क्या उसका समझ में आया, क्या उसने सही समझा है. ओके, एंड आफ्टर वंस द कन्वर्सेशन एंड यू मस्ट से थैंक्स टू हिम फॉर हेल्पिंग हिम. उनको छोड़ने से पहले या उनसे बात खत्म होते ही उनको थैंक यू जरूर बोलिए. आप कुछ एग्जांपल्स देखिए, आप कैसे थैंकिंग हम अदर को, कैसे जो भी अदर पर्सन को थैंक यू कैसे बोलेंगे. तो एक फ्रेज है थैंक यू, इसका हम कैसे यूज करेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू एक ऐसा वर्ड है जिसको कि हम बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से यूज कर सकते हैं. कब यूज करेंगे हम, व्हेन दिस इज द पोलाइट वे टू आंसर व्हेन एनीवन हेल्प्स यू. एक पोलाइट वे है आंसर देने का जब आपने किसी की मदद की. थैंक्स कब बोलेंगे, इट मीन्स द सेम थिंग, मतलब वही है बट इट इज मोर कैजुअल. ये थोड़ा सा कैजुअली लिया जाता है. शुड बी यूज्ड ओनली विथ फ्रेंड और फैमिली. यानी कि जब आप थैंक यू का मतलब किसी आप ऑफिशियल को आप बोल रहे हो, आप थैंक्स का मतलब किसी आप फ्रेंड या फैमिली को बोल रहे हो आप. एक और है आपका आई अप्रिशिएट दैट. आई अप्रिशिएट दैट. दिस इज वन मोर पोलाइट वे टू आंसर व्हेन समवन डज समथिंग फॉर यू. ये बहुत ही ज्यादा पोलाइट वे है आपका कि आप उनको हम अच्छी तरीके से थैंक्स बोल सकते हैं. ये भी एक तरीका है ये. ओके, फिर उसके बाद लास्ट वन, नॉट द लीस्ट, आई रियली अप्रिशिएट दैट. इसका भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं. You can use this for someone who goes out for their way to help. मतलब आपका उस जो सीमा है उस स्कोप को पार करते हुए आपकी हेल्प कर रहा है, मतलब किसी भी हद तक जा करके वो आपकी हेल्प करने के लिए तैयार है, आपकी हेल्प कर रहा है। ओके, एंड व्हेन द अदर थैंक यू, जब आपके अदर आपकी मदद कर रहे हैं, आपने थैंक यू बोल दिया, बदले में आप बोलेंगे यूर वेलकम। वेलकम शब्द का जरूर इस्तेमाल करेंगे आप। ओके, सो दिस इज द वन वे टू से थैंक्स और टू से थैंक यू, राइट स्टूडेंट? Now with this I am coming to the next slide to give you more about it. Now students, topic number 3 comes here. Topic number 3, and this is more enjoyable here. Why? Right now we are going to know about more about directions using the landmark. Suppose students, you are trying to reach to my school, so let me give you a landmark like any other railway station, any other bank is there. So once you have the landmark, it is very easy to reach that place. Okay, so it is very helpful if you mention the landmark. Landmark may be anyone. Okay, to give direction using the location of well known place, यानी कि जब आप लैंडमार्क देंगे, डायरेक्शन बताएंगे, तो उस वेल नोन प्लेस का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं आप। ओके, वी यूज लोकेशन और पोजीशन वर्ड्स। हम यहाँ पर अपने डायरेक्शंस को बताने के लिए लोकेशन वर्ड या पोजीशन वर्ड का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, जिसको कि हम प्रीपोजिशंस कहते हैं हम। ओके, अब प्रीपोजिशन टाइम के हिसाब से भी है, बट वी आर इंश्योरिंग दैट वी कैन यूज ओनली प्रीपोजिशन विच शोज द पोजीशन। कुछ एग्जांपल्स देखते हैं कि कौन कौन से प्रीपोजिशन हम यूज कर सकते हैं। ऑन, नियर टू, अपोजिट, इन फ्रंट ऑफ, ये कुछ हमारे प्रीपोजिशंस हैं जिनको कि आप यूज कर सकते हैं आप अपने डायरेक्शंस को या किसी को डायरेक्शंस बताने के लिए, या जब कोई आपसे डायरेक्शन पूछता है। ओके, नाउ विद दिस कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ये बहुत ही अच्छा डायग्राम आपके लिए मैं ढूंढ के लाया हूं मैं, और इसको हम समझने का प्रयास करते हैं। राइट नाउ यू कैन यूज द डिफरेंट प्रीपोजिशंस फॉर गिविंग द डायरेक्शंस यूजिंग द लैंडमार्क। ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल हियर। राइट नाउ आवर ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू रीच कॉस्मोस मॉल। हमें कॉस्मोस मॉल के पास में पहुंचना है। कैसे पहुंचेंगे? अब आप 1 देखिए कहां लिखा है, 1, ये रहा 1। कॉस्मोस मॉल इज नेक्स्ट टू द पोस्ट ऑफिस। नेक्स्ट टू द पोस्ट ऑफिस, ये नेक्स्ट टू याद रखिएगा आप। ये रहा कॉस्मोस मॉल और ये रहा उसकी लोकेशन, और रोड का नाम क्या हो गया? ब्रिगेड रोड, राइट। स्टेप नंबर 2 पे आते हैं हम। कॉस्मोस मॉल इज नियर द ड्राई क्लीनर। ठीक है, ये रहा कॉस्मोस मॉल, ये रहा पोस्ट ऑफिस, ये पेट्रोल पंप, ये रहा ड्राई क्लीनर। ये भी कह सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर ये कॉस्मोस मॉल ड्राई क्लीनर के बगल में। स्टेप नंबर 3 ये भी देखते हैं हम। कॉस्मोस मॉल इज अपोजिट द पेट्रोल पंप, कि पेट्रोल पंप के अपोजिट है, ये भी कह सकते हैं हम। तो आप याद रखिएगा, नेक्स्ट टू, नियर, अपोजिट, ये 3 वर्ड हो गए आप। ठीक है, 4th वर्ड में आते हैं हम। कॉस्मोस मॉल इज ऑन ब्रिज रोड, ये भी बिल्कुल ठीक है कि हम कह सकते हैं कि आपका जो कॉस्मोस मॉल है वो ब्रिगेड, जो आपका ब्रिगेड रोड है उसके आसपास है, उसके बगल में है। लास्ट वन, नॉट द लिस्ट, कॉस्मोस मॉल इज ऑन ब्रिज रोड नेक्स्ट टू द पोस्ट ऑफिस एंड अपोजिट टू द पेट्रोल पंप। अब आपका एग्जैक्ट आपको यहाँ लोकेशन मिल गई है। यहाँ हमने लैंडमार्क की हेल्प से एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन, कॉस्मोस मॉल इज ऑन ब्रिगेड रोड नेक्स्ट टू पोस्ट ऑफिस एंड अपोजिट टू द पेट्रोल पंप। So this is the exact way to have the solutions, to have the directions. Right student? Now students, we are coming to the next slide. Yes students, now it's time for have the examples. I am going to show you 2 examples one by one to give you best understanding about this video.
Excuse me, how do I get to the railway station? Oh, it's about 15 minutes from here. Go straight on as far as the bus stop. Take bus 24 and it will take you right there. You get off at the last stop. Thank you. When you start a conversation, always say "Excuse me." Excuse me, is there a pharmacy near here? Yes, there is. Go along here and turn left. The pharmacy is opposite the bank. Thanks. When you end a conversation, always say "thank you" or "thanks." Excuse me, do you know the way to the market? Yes, I do. Turn right at the cafe. Go straight ahead and then take the second turning on the left. The market is on your right. How to ask for directions. Repeat after me. How do I get to the bank? Is there a pharmacy near here? Do you know the way to the market? How to give directions. Repeat after me. Go straight ahead. Go straight on. Go along here. Go along Green Street. Go as far as the bus stop. Turn left. Turn right. Repeat after me. Take the first turning on the left. Take the second turning on the left. Take the third turning on the left. Take the first turning on the right. Take the second turning on the right. Take the third turning on the right. Repeat after me. The bank is on your left. The market is on your right. People usually take a bus. Buses have numbers, so we say take bus 24. Or take the 24. When people enter the bus, we say get on the bus. When people leave the bus, we say get off the bus.
This is our hotel. Let's go inside. Hello.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
We'd like to check in, please.
Certainly. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, it's under Scott. I've booked a triple room.
May I see your ID, please?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. Yes, I have found your reservation. Okay, this is your room key. Your room is on the second floor. Just take the lift on the left. When you get off the lift, turn left. Your room is at the end of the corridor on the right side.
Thank you very much.
It was my pleasure.
Let's take the elevator. Here we are at last.
I love our room. It's nice.
I have to go to the pharmacy to buy some medicines. I'll be right back. Excuse me, is there a pharmacy around here?
Turn right at the corner and go straight ahead. It's on your right, next to the bakery.
Great. Thanks a lot. Excuse me, I need to find an ATM. Can you help me?
Yes, of course. Go straight ahead, cross the road and go past the sweet shop. Then you'll see a park. There is an ATM in the bank next to the park.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome.
Hello? Would you mind telling me where the post office is?
Oh, it's not far from here. Can you see the museum next to the bank?
Yes, of course. I can see it.
Well, the post office is opposite the museum. It's right on the corner.
I see. It's quite close. Thanks for your kindness. Have a nice day.
My pleasure. You too.
Hello?
Where are you, honey?
I am at the post office.
You said you only wanted to go to the pharmacy.
Well, I changed my mind.
Anyway, I have a surprise for you. I've just rented a car. So I'm coming to pick you up.
Really? That sounds great. Then I am going to wait for you right here.
So how do I get there? I'm in front of the hotel.
You have to turn right at the corner and go 2 blocks along the street. The post office is right on the corner of the 3rd block.
Okay. I'll be there in just a few minutes.
Excuse me, could you tell me where the hospital is?
Sorry, I don't know. I'm not from around here.
It's okay.
We have just got to the post office, but you're not here. Where are you?
I am at the amusement park.
Where is that?
Walk up to the crosswalk, in front of the restaurant that is next to the post office. Cross the street and you're there. Then go straight ahead on the path, past the clown. Then you'll see a fountain. I'm sitting on the bench near the fountain.
I had so much fun at the amusement park. But where are we going now?
Well, we should go to the shopping mall. I'll have to ask someone to guide us. Excuse me, do you know where the shopping mall is?
Turn right at the intersection, and go 1 block, then turn left, go past the bus stop, and you'll see the shopping mall on your left. It's next to the cinema.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Mom, I need to go to the restroom.
Oh, I wonder where the restroom is.
Excuse me, do you know where the restroom is?
Yes, of course. It's at the end of the hall to the right.
Thanks.
It's time for dinner. Let's go back to the hotel.
Okay students, I hope you have watched the full video, that is from starting till the end. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you will definitely like this video, and whatever the problems, whatever the issues occur during the watching of this video, you can comment by using your YouTube. Okay, you can use the YouTube comment box. Okay, and I just waiting for your valuable feedback. Okay, if there is any kind of mishappening or anything other thing is occurred during this watching of this video, so you can also communicate on the WhatsApp also. So keep watching this video on my YouTube channel, but please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Okay, and also please don't forget to press the bell icon also, so that you can have a notification on the first page. Okay, so thanks for watching.